How to fix Apple Watch not turning on. Confirm screen curtain is not turned on. Screen curtain is an accessibility feature under VoiceOver, designed for individuals with visual impairments. It turns off the display, requiring navigation via VoiceOver. On Apple Watch, screen curtain disables the screen, so users must rely on the Watch app on their iPhone for navigation and interaction. Step 1. Open the Watch app. Step 2. Tap accessibility. Step 3. Tap VoiceOver. Step 4. Make sure the VoiceOver toggle is off. The toggle is gray when disabled. Step 5. Scroll down to screen curtain and make sure that it is toggled off as well.